y'all, welcome back to the AFI DIY Lab. I'm Katie and the project I have for y'all today is soothing lavender bath bombs. I know this can seem a little daunting to make these cute little bombs, but fear not. This formula is super easy and a great place to start if you're new to the world of bath fizzies. My sodium bicarbonate is already measured out here in a mixing bowl right in front of me so I can use it in a little bit. Now I'm prepping my liquid ingredients, which include the avocado butter and the avocado oil to start. Combine the two in the mixing beaker and pop these into the microwave for 30-second intervals to melt the avocado butter. Go ahead and add those in now. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this now. When these two are combined, we're gonna add in our polysorbate 80 followed up with our fragrance. Here's our polysorbate 80. But now for our fragrance. This fragrance is pre-measured. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Because these bath bombs will be used in the, well, bath, you're gonna want a skin-safe fragrance like I am. Today I've got the Eucalyptus Lavender. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stir this all in. When those are all homogenized, we're gonna go ahead and slowly add that into our sodium bicarbonate. We're gonna do this little bits at a time and slowly whisking that in so they get combined well. Once it's all mixed in really well, it's time for citric acid. We add in the citric acid last to prevent any accidental activation that can be caused by our liquid ingredients. By ensuring that the liquids are already blended in with the sodium bicarbonate, we can minimize the chance of this happening. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on my gloves. Okay, now that I got my gloves on, I'm gonna sprinkle this in little bit by bit. When all the citric acid has been added in and mixed in, you should have a texture of wet sand and a hold in your hand like a clump. Okay, so it looks like they're ready to go. Grab the two halves of your mold and fill one half with a sprinkle of dried lavender buds. Now I'm going to overfill both sides loosely with the bath bomb mixture. Make sure to not pack it down because both sides won't stick together then. Now that I have both sides filled up, I'm going to press them together firmly. Yay. Now that we have the first one down, we just have to repeat the process until you have all your bath bombs. Those look good, so we're gonna pinch them together. There we go. I've got these placed on my baking tray ready to dry. This process may take longer depending on the humidity of your workspace, so it helps to invest in a dehumidifier if you live in the moist area. I'll catch you guys in a day or two once these are all dried. And I'm back. And look at these cute little babies. The bath bombs are fizzy and fragrant, perfect for bath time fun for all ages. Each of these bath bombs costs us 75 cents to make. They can be sold wholesale for $1 to $2 and retail for anywhere from $3 to $6. Make sure to try out our shower steamers and the DIY playlist. That's all I have for you guys today on bath bombs. If you made these, let us know and tag us on our socials linked down below. I always love to see what you guys make when you're following our DIY playlist. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you really want to stay in the know, hit that bell icon, which will make you a member of the notification squad so you can be the first one to see when we post. But until then, I'm Katie and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye!